Explanation. In the table below, color the boxes of the number 1 to 10 red, the boxes of the number 11 to 20 green, the boxes of the number 21 to 30 blue, the boxes of the number 31 to 40 yellow, the boxes of the number 41 to 50 orange, the boxes of the number 51 to 60 white, the boxes of the number 61 to 70 purple, the boxes of the number 71 to 80 pink, the boxes of the number 81 to 90 black, the boxes of the number 91 to 100 brown. Thus color all the boxes using different colors, writing the numbers from 26 to 99 in words. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Introducing 100. Tony, here are 100 candies. Nandu, I scored a century. Salma, I counted these bangles. They are 10 tens. Sonu, I bought 100 oranges. Tai, all of you have the same number of things, but each of you said it in a different way. A century has 100 units, or simply, it's 100. 10 tens are also 100. Sonu put 100 beads from the string into a purse. Here is a purse of 100. 10 tens of sticks makes 100 sticks. 5 notes of 20 rupees each makes 100 rupees. That is 100 rupees. Whole hundreds. 9 beads and 1 bead together make 10 beads. A group of 10 things is called a 10. 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to it, we get the 3-digit number 100. The new place on the left in the 3-digit number 100 is the place of 100. 100 means 100 is a 3-digit number. 200 is equal to 2h. 300 is equal to 3h. 400 is equal to 4h. 500 is equal to 5h. 600 is equal to 6h. 700 is equal to 7h. 800 is equal to 8h. 900 is equal to 9h. 10 tens make 100, that is 100. 20 tens make a 200, that is 200. 40 tens make 400, that is 400. 50 tens make a 500, that is 500. three-digit numbers. Introduction. In the empty boxes, we will write the number in words. Crayons, hundred, tens, units, number, in figures, in words. 101 unit, 1, 0, 1, 101, 101. 102 unit, 1, 0, 2, 102, 102. 103 unit, 1, 0, 3, 103, 103. 104 unit, 1, 0, 4, 104, 104.